Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to change your order number format on your Shopify products, also the prefixes and suffixes. So what you want to do is go over to settings on the bottom left hand side, and from here you want to travel all the way down and make sure it's on store details, which by default it will end up on store details, and you can travel all the way down and it says order ID. Now the prefix is what happens before the actual order number. Okay, so currently this is what it says. Your order ID will appear as that, and what you want to do is you want to maybe put like something that has to do with your store. So say like IN, and then you'll have your number. Okay, and the suffix, you maybe want to put like a dash, and you want to put like a date, or you want to be do like a date format as such. All right, and then you can just say save, and that will now come up on your new orders. Now, unfortunately, this will not recreate the order numbers for your old orders. It'll just take effect on your new orders. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We will see you in another amazing video. Cheers for now, folks.